How do I reset or change my MPIN if I forget it?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll discuss how to reset or change your MPIN if you forget it. Your MPIN, or Mobile Personal Identification Number, is a crucial security feature that protects your personal information and transactions. Forgetting it can be frustrating, but don't worry. We've got you covered with a step-by-step guide on how to resolve this issue. So, let's get started.
Contacting the service provider.
The first step is to contact your service provider. Reach out to the customer support team or visit their official website for guidance on resetting or changing your MPIN. Service providers often have specific procedures in place, and they can assist you in regaining access to your account.
Verifying your identity.
During the reset process, the service provider will require you to verify your identity. This is an essential security measure to ensure that only the account owner can make changes. Be prepared to provide information such as your full name, account details, registered phone number, and any additional verification methods set up for your account.
Authenticating through OTP.
In many cases, the service provider may use a one-time password, OTP, as a means of authentication. They will send an OTP to your registered phone number or email address. Once you receive the OTP, enter it in the designated field on the service provider's platform to validate your identity.
Resetting or changing your MPIN.
After you've successfully verified your identity, you can proceed with resetting or changing your MPIN. Depending on the service provider, they may have different methods available. Some common options include: Option 1. Self-service portal. The service provider may offer a self-service portal on their website or mobile app where you can manage your account settings. Locate the section related to security or MPIN settings, and follow the provided instructions to reset or change your MPIN. Make sure to choose a new MPIN that is secure and easy for you to remember. Option 2. Customer support assistance. Alternatively, you may need to seek customer support assistance to reset or change your MPIN. In such cases, the customer support representative will guide you through the process. They may ask for additional information or perform certain checks to ensure the security of your account. And there you have it. Now you know how to reset or change your MPIN if you forget it. Remember, in such situations, it's important to remain calm and follow the instructions provided by your service provider. Contact them promptly to initiate the resolution process and ensure the security of your account. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay safe and take care.